Alrighty, y'all. I figured I'd make a video on my way of installing a Minn Kota trolling motor with the quick release bracket. But the way I do it is I use, on bigger boats with the 87-inch and up, I usually use the 3/8 or 5/16 aluminum. But on these smaller trolling motors, I usually use just a 1/4 because usually they don't have very much overhang. But a lot of people, I see it all the time, that drives me nuts, is this quick release plate. Usually they just mount that small puck. It's only about like 4 inches wide by 6 inches. And it's just an absolute disaster waiting to happen. So what I do, hopefully you guys can see this, is I put the big plate underneath to help support all this twisting and turning that's happening when you're offshore or whatever you're doing. When you're going one way then another, you know, bouncing up and down. I mean, these holes, fiberglass wallers out very easy, especially with all this tension and strain happening. The bow gets beat up the worst on a boat. So yeah, this is my way of installing a trolling motor on the deck of any boat. I don't care which one it is. Always install a plate if you can. Have a good one, guys.